So, very good morning, one and all. This is Rajshekhar Gupta. And if I tell you how this all started, how this journey started, it started in a very small room when one of my friends was trying to tell me that how by this platform I can do something very big in my life. I didn't understand much that day, but yes, one thing is stick in my mind that even 10% of what he's saying gets true. I will be great. It will be great if even 10% gets true. So I just started just for trying, you can say. But as I proceeded, I started earning. The first thing, the biggest thing I earned from this platform was not money, my dear friends. Was my big mindset. I started to get the right mindset. I got one mindset that yes, I do not have to live only for my needs. I have to start living for my dreams as well. Having a 200 rupees wristwatch is maybe a need, but having a 4,000, 5,000 rupees watch on your wrist as a college going student from your own income is something what people dream. That was one of my dream. I completed that as well. Having a 40, 50,000 rupees bike in your college, maybe something that is gifted by your parents can be a need. But yes, having a sports bike at a younger age is something which is a dream. Like these many small dreams were achieved in my college, and you can say whatever dreams a college guy can imagine, all of those I was able to complete courtesy this platform, courtesy the things I learned from my mentors in this platform. Next thing I understood was yes, this platform can take me from a normal life, from an ordinary life to an extraordinary lifestyle. Differentiating between the life and lifestyle. That is something which I understood. I will get it from here. And my dear friends, I never imagined that that kind of lifestyle I was able to get. I am able to get through this platform. I was that my first international trip. I was traveling to Singapore with my mentors, right? And it was an unbelievable journey. I was thinking that if I was not a part of this platform, this day would have never come. After that, we went to different places. Went to Hong Kong, went to Macau, right? Went to different places. Last year I went to Dubai. It was an excellent experience. It was a mind-boggling experience. We did skydiving with many of my teammates who were there. It was a mind-boggling experience, right? And best thing happened when I came back. When I came back from Dubai, spending 7 days out there, not even making a single phone call to India. When I came back and when I checked my account, like my last 7 days income when I was out of the country was more than 1.5 lakh rupees. Yes, my dear friend, that is something I am talking about. That is the power of this business. That is the power of this industry. That is the power of this platform which I was being told that day in that small room. Right, wherever you are right now, I don't know, but I'm telling you literally, you may be in a small room, you may be in your home, you may be in a big hall, but this platform is worth it. But yes, then comes the very beautiful statement like success comes with a price. You have to pay the price. Everything in the world has a price tag. Success in this platform comes with a price, and you know what is that price? That price is not given by your money. That price is by your consistent efforts. Second price is by consistent learning and developing yourself. Efforts should be consistent, and you need to be learning yourself consistent through various books and mentors. And yes, coming to mentors, we are so much blessed to be a part of Team SOL School of Leadership, who are doing so much well. And I'm telling you, I don't find anywhere, any other place where so much good amount of training, teaching, development can happen. Whatever I am, there is so much I know are because of these people, which I am going to take names starting from Vijay sir, Udit sir, Arun sir, Bhupen sir, Nikhil sir. These are those people who I am very much blessed to have them in my life, and whatever I am is because of them, right? And we all are very much fortunate to be a part of Team SOL, because this is the platform, this is the training, teaching, development platform that you cannot get anywhere else, right? It's so much experience as well. And with combining Team SOL with the power of Singapore in Bioshas, my dear friends, that is a deadly combination. And I'm telling you, in the upcoming months, in the upcoming years, we are going to prove it out, right? In the coming weeks, I'm coming out in every part of India, meet you out there in different events, and let's do very big in this upcoming December of this year and the 2021, right? So thank you very much, all of you. Best of luck to all of you for the upcoming Corporate trip as well and our respective events. Thank you very much.